Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix a problem of name already taken when you try to connect to your local Minecraft LAN. So the problem is that an account is already on that server with the name that you're using. So to change your name, if I just open up the Minecraft launcher, as you can see, that is my current name. So to change my name, all I'm going to do is I'm going to click in the search bar, and I'm going to type run, and then I'm going to open run up. And then in the bar here, I'm then going to type %app data %. So that is %app data %. And then I'm going to click OK. So now I'm going to open up the .minecraft folder here. And then I'm going to open up the launcher profiles text file here. Now in Notepad, I'm then going to find the line that says display name. And then you want to change this to whatever name you want. So I will just change it to test. And then I'm going to save this text file. And then if I close the text file and I reopen the Minecraft launcher, as you can see, my name has now been changed and we should no longer have the problem of the name already being taken. So guys, that's as simple as it gets. If you like this video, don't forget the like button. If you dislike it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.